Alright, so I'm going to clean up the garage a little bit, move the bikes out, flip the car around, remove the fuel tank, and tidy up some of the brake lines, fuel lines, and everything while I wait for some Amazon goodies to come in. And yeah, so nothing too crazy today, but yeah, just a little time lapse or something. Okay, so Amazon did not come yesterday, but they did come today, but I wasn't expecting anything crazy. But I got some heavy duty wire crimpers with various terminal lugs. I got a T56 reverse light pigtail. And that is about it really. But I was going to mostly do a walk around of everything in the car, where everything's at, what's going on, what I will do next. But yeah, that's about it. Nothing too crazy today. Making some Texas Twinkies on a smoker. That's exciting. I haven't smoked anything in a long time. And Echo just doesn't want to leave me alone. She knows I have treats here, so that's it. Speak. 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 What was that? Speak. Good girl. Alright, so yeah, we're gonna do that, do a little walk around, and yeah, it's crazy in here though, so don't be talking crap. Alright, so here's the radiator, obviously. I moved it to the outside because this bend right here, this elbow, was crazy. And this is the only way I could figure to do it without doing any welding or cutting. Gotta remount the fans. I don't like this tube intake pipe. I'm gonna figure something out. I want to get like the one that has two filters, like a Y. I love these valve covers. I was really surprised how close they matched the powder coat color that I had before. Here are the coilovers. I don't remember the spring rates. I'm gonna look it up. I'll put it on the video afterwards. I have some Baja Design Squadron SAE lights. They're meant for fog lights, but they work great for this. But yeah, that's for my driving lights. I'm gonna add some high beams eventually. My fuel pressure regulator right here is not really mounted by anything, but zip ties to the catch can, but we're gonna fix that too. But yeah, this is I have it set up for vent to atmosphere. On this side, not much different really. Here's my craziness with the ECU. Gonna get that all cleaned up. I was doing some wiring yesterday. Put down some nice kind of, I forgot what you call it, but I think it's like 3M something tape, whatever it's called. Got the shift knob from Tremec, billet shift lever. Echo, come inside. So the battery's gonna be. These are some of the terminals I gotta fix. I'm gonna remove the trunk lid real quick. Alright, here's the fuel setup. Nothing crazy. Stainless line all the way to the front. Let's see if we can see the diff down here. Echo, move out of the way. Why? Of all the places in the garage. But yeah, there's the diff. And yeah, that's about it. Nothing crazy. My windshield's sitting there, but it is coming along. Well, that is about it. Echo, what you looking for? I'm not gonna really do anything to the car today. I am, however, smoking some Texas Twinkies, if you know what they are. I'll show you those real quick. Echo, there's not nut there. There's no nut there. But yeah. Yeah, I'm just gonna do some more wiring next week and making a bracket for the fuel pressure regulator. And you know, whatever comes next, we'll see what's going on. Alright, Echo. Let's go check on these Twinkies, as they call them. You want this? Come on. Come on. Whoa!